Welcome to our channel Study with Zahid. So dear friends, in our previous video we have seen what is a sentence, and in this video we are going to see parts of sentence. So first of all we have to understand what is a sentence once again, then we will come to parts of it. Okay, so sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. And some examples also. So this is a marker. So if I'll say this marker, it doesn't make any sense, but this is a marker makes some sense. So this is a marker is a sentence. My shirt is blue. Is shirt my blue? This doesn't make any sense, so this is not a sentence. My shirt is blue. This is a sentence. Got it? A sentence has two parts: subject, predicate. So when we speak or write a sentence, we name some person or thing, so that is subject, and whatever we speak about our subject, that is predicate. Just understand, I'm going to give you some examples. John is a doctor. So John, we are talking about, we are naming John. Okay, so we are talking about John. So John is subject, and what is John? So John is a doctor. So this is predicate. Okay, so we are taking name of John. So that is subject. And whatever is your subject, that is predicate. So what is John? So John is a doctor. Okay, so Lisa has a dog. Lisa is subject and dog is predicate. I am a teacher. So I is subject and teacher is predicate. Some more examples for you. Marker is white. Marker, subject, white, predicate. Shirt is blue. Subject, shirt, and the color blue is predicate. Cell phone is useful. Cell phone is subject because we are talking about cell phone. So cell phone is subject, and cell phone is what? Cell phone is black. So black is predicate. Okay. Chair is strong. Subject, chair is strong, predicate. That's good. Okay, so one thing you have to keep in your mind. So I have written, okay, so I have written here, subject always comes in a sentence. Subject always comes first in a sentence. Subject always comes first in a sentence. Okay, like this you can see John is a doctor, Lisa is subject, so Lisa is in the first position. So Ganga is a river, so Ganga comes first. Okay, so subject always comes first in a sentence. Okay, but sometimes in some sentences subject comes in the last. Just see here, where is Rohan? Rohan is subject, so but it is not in the beginning, it is not in the start position, it is in the end. So Rohan is our subject. Who are you? Okay, so you, subject is in the last. So you have to remember, you have to keep this thing in your mind. You can easily identify the subject. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. You have to keep in your mind. So when we speak or write a sentence, we name some person or thing, that is your subject, and whatever we say something about that thing, that is your predicate. Simple, easy. Okay, here by here what you have understood? So you have understood subject always comes in the first of a sentence, but in some sentences it comes in the last position also. Where are you? Who are you? Here comes the train. Okay, and one more thing you have to understand. In imperative sentence, I am going to speak some imperative sentence, and you will find out there is no subject in these kind of sentences. Okay, so like sit down, because I am talking to you, so subject is already understood. So sit down, it means you sit down. Okay, so you is already understood, so we don't speak you. Come here, So Obviously I'm calling you, so you are going to come to me. So you are like subject is in imperative sentences, subject is already understood, so you have to keep this thing in your mind. In imperative sentences there is no subject, there are lots of sentences without subject. Understood? And please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.